This is another review on another anti-snoring device. As you can see, this little item here is meant to fit snug just inside your nostrils. If I take it out of its little case, this little thing here, see, that goes between your nostrils, one up each nostril like that, so it just sits inside. This is a magnetic type idea, this one, you can see with two little magnets there. Now, I tried this last night. I've tried this a couple of nights now. I'm actually surprised with this one, considering it's the smallest and the less intrusive one. It actually is quite good. Let's just say it cut the noise level of my snoring down by about half. It does slightly say what it does, so if you're a light snorer and you want to sort things out, then this is quite good, to be honest with you. It doesn't cost hundreds of pounds, it only costs a couple of pounds. You can pick these things up for and they're pretty good. Now if you add an extra into it, like this here, eucalyptus oil, put a bit of this on a tissue next to where you're sleeping, which also opens all your airways and your helps you breathe a lot better. Same idea, it's one of the main ingredients is like all the oils is eucalyptus oil. Two of them working together, it cuts it down again a little bit more. Again, this is only £2 from your average shops. If you go into places like Howland and Barrett, they'll charge you £8 odd. Don't go into them, just get from normal herbalists. A little bottle of this, it'll cost you about £2, maybe £3 or so. Absolute bargain for the two of them, and it does cut it down again a little bit more. So this is also really good when you've got a cold or any flu. Helps you breathe better as well and stops you coughing as much through the night. So this actually it does work a little bit, so I can't really fault it. As I said, it's less intrusive than the larger ones that I've tried. And if you're a light snorer, then I would advise you to probably try and purchase this one and try it. Anyway, I hope this helps you all. Good luck with your night's sleep. Bye bye.